Okra is a flowering plant known for its edible green seed pods. It's commonly used in dishes like gumbo and stir-fries, but its health benefits are what really make it shine. Benefit number 1. Okra is rich in vitamins and minerals. Just 1 cup of okra contains significant amounts of vitamins like A, C, and K, as well as folate and magnesium. These nutrients are essential for maintaining healthy skin, boosting your immune system, and supporting bone health. Vitamin A is great for your vision and skin health. Vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant that helps protect your cells from damage. Vitamin K is crucial for blood clotting and bone metabolism, and folate is important for DNA synthesis and repair. Benefit number 2. Okra is a fantastic source of dietary fiber. Fiber is essential for a healthy digestive system, and it helps keep you feeling full longer, which can aid in weight management. A cup of okra provides about 3 grams of dietary fiber. Fiber also helps regulate blood sugar levels by slowing down the absorption of sugar in the bloodstream. This makes okra a great choice for people with diabetes or those looking to prevent blood sugar spikes. Benefit number 3. Okra contains antioxidants. These powerful compounds help protect your body from oxidative stress and reduce inflammation. The antioxidants in okra, like quercetin and flavonoids, can help lower the risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease and cancer. Benefit number 4. Okra may help improve heart health. The fiber, antioxidants, and magnesium found in okra all contribute to cardiovascular health. Fiber helps lower cholesterol levels, while magnesium helps regulate blood pressure. Lower cholesterol and regulated blood pressure mean a reduced risk of heart disease and stroke. Including okra in your meals can be a delicious way to support your heart health. Lastly, okra is low in calories but high in nutrients, making it an excellent addition to any diet. Whether you're looking to lose weight, maintain a healthy weight, or just improve your overall nutrition, okra is a versatile and nutritious choice.